Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to simplify rational exponents. So as you can see right here in the image, we have our index. Our index is the denominator and the exponent is the numerator. So let's do an example. So right here, we have x to the power of 1 over 4. Well, we just said that the denominator is the index. Well, the index here is going to be the number 4. And then our radicand is going to be x, and then what the exponent is your numerator. So the numerator here is 1, so then your exponent would be 1. Okay, now for the second one, we have y to the power of 1 over 5. Well, again, our index is our denominator, so here would be 5. Our radicand is y, and then our exponent is 1 once again. All right, for the next one, same thing here. So our radicand is 16. Our index is going to be what? It's going to be 4, because remember, our index is our denominator and our numerator is 3. Same thing here. Our radicand is 4, our index is 2, and our exponent is 7. Oh, that's a little messy. Okay, let me see. 7, that's a little better. All right. Now, whenever you have something like this gets a little bit more complicated, because notice that these are all being multiplied. That A, G, and the E is all being multiplied. And we're going to have to, according to the laws of exponents, we're going to have to do the product rule here. So it requires us to add all of those exponents. Now, remember, to add a fractions, you need to have the same denominator. So right here, we need to get all of the same denominator here. So you can do, we need to find all the factors of 3, 4, and 2. So 3 is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21. All right, we can stop there. For 4 is going to be 4, 8, 12, 16. All right, we can stop there. And then for 2, we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, notice we need to find the least common factor here. So right here, they all have the 12 in common right here, right? Right here and right here. Now, the reason why we didn't do 4, notice how these two have 4 right here, because the 3 doesn't have the 4. So you need to make sure that all 3 of them have the same denominator, okay? So then that means that that's going to be my index, okay? That's going to be my index right here. Let me do that with a different pen. So my index is going to be 12, because that's what they all have in common. Now, to find my exponents, all I do is I'm going to take what I had here. So 3, the denominator times what gives me 12? Well, 3 times 4 gives me 12, right? So the 4 times the numerator gives me 8. So right here, we're going to have 8. All right, same thing with the bottom one. With the G, sorry. What times 4 gives me 12? Well, 3 times 4 gives me 12. So 3 times the numerator, which is 1, will be my exponent. So right here is going to be just 3, because 3 times 1 is just 3. And then same thing for E. What times 2 gives me 12? Well, 6 times 2 gives me 12. So 6 times 1 is just 6. And then same thing for this one over here. We need to find the same denominator. So we're going to have to do 7. And we already did 3, so let's not do 3 anymore. The 3 is going to be right here, okay? So 7, we got 7, 14, and then 21. Well, you can see that they have the same 21. So we're going to go with that one, right? So 21 right here. Well, what times 7 gives me 21? 3 times 7 gives me 21. So then 3 times the numerator. So the numerator is 3. So 3 times 3 gives me 9 right here. And then what times 3 gives me 21? Well, 7. And then 7 times 5 is 35. So there you have it, guys. I think that was the last example. Yeah. All right. Well, if you have any questions, please make sure to ask your teacher, or you can send me an email. Yeah, have a good day.